Hello, welcome to Ambient Productivity. In this video we're going to show you how to change the scale of your Excel spreadsheet window. You might want to do this because there's a lot of information on the screen, you've got a very full sheet and you need to focus on a piece of information which is very difficult to see when it's clouded by lots of other numbers and figures and bits of information. Or you might want to increase the size of the cell that you're going to enter some information in. This is a really very basic thing to be able to do, but if you've been looking around and you haven't been able to find it in the help section, this is what this video is here to do. We're going to be working with this area in the bottom right corner. If you have a look here, you'll see that there's a minus, a plus, a small button and a number. And you can use any of these to change the scale of the spreadsheet. So if, for example, you click on the plus, you'll see that the size increases. You click on the minus, it's going to get smaller. You can use the button here, the zoom button, to move out or back. And if you know exactly what size you want your window to be, you can click on the number, it'll open this window and you can go to 200%, that's what that looks like. Or you can go to 50% if you want a much wider view of the entire spreadsheet. That makes things really difficult to read. Or you can click on Fit Section, which will take it up to 400%. Not sure why you'd want it that large, but if you do, that's the way to do it. If you want it to go back to the standard 100%, there's a little dot in the center of the slider. Click on that and it'll take you right the way back to where you were. If this has been a tiny bit helpful and you're now able to do something that you weren't able to do previously, then please click the like button underneath the video and subscribe to the channel. We're going to be uploading a whole series of very short, very direct, but very informative videos about how to do tiny bits in Excel that's going to save you an incredible amount of time. It's going to make you more productive and it's going to give you the opportunity to do other things rather than staring at a computer screen or hunting around in help files to try and work out how to do something. Thanks for watching and bye for now.